Hello, my friends. Welcome to Training Case. Today is 17th of September 2025. I told you, I will be on holiday. I go holiday after people start work. I mean, a lot of you also take holiday the whole week, nine days in a row. But some of you already start work. I hear yesterday or these last 2 days, the highway have been very jammed. Also, the highway already jam up, so probably a lot of you already come back to work. That's why I take the opportunity because got school holiday, right? So I go jalan-jalan lah. When part of the workforce already go back to office lah, or start to work lah, or else. I can tell you, jam at the highway, jam at the location. I mean, even you go to all these tourism area, right? Jam inside the tourism area, all those okay. Oh, so that's why we better lah. Okay, so we don't everyone jam together lah. At least I go at a different time, so I don't need to also line up, join the queue. That cause more jam. Okay, a quick disclaimer. Today market quite strong. Bursa looks like looks like real momentum. Last few weeks I told you the momentum is a bit dressing but these few days looks quite real A quick disclaimer before I continue. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's go through the global market. Today we do a quick one because everyone waiting for me for dinner already because we just jalan-jalan took a lot of time. Okay, 1661 today, Bursa quite strong, up 11.57 points, 0.723%. Singapore up, dropped 0.322%. Hong Kong up 1.77%. South Korea dropped 1.05%. Japan dropped 0.29%. Thailand dropped 0.115%. China FTSE up 0.634%. China SSE up 0.375%. China SXSE up 1.16%. So China quite strong. Okay, China quite strong. Look at Australia. Australia dropped 0.667%. Taiwan dropped 0.747%. And Nifty India up 0.361%. Quite strong. Okay, quite weak actually. Asia except Bursa Bursa today quite good, and also China also not bad. China also not bad today. Okay. Look at Europe, UK FTSE up 0.182%. DEX up 0.074, not very strong. Look at Dow Jones dropped 0.274%, NYSE dropped 0.091%, S&P dropped 0.129%, and Nasdaq dropped 0.066. So slightly weak. US crude palm oil 4402 quite okay. Brent oil 68, crude oil 64, not so strong. Gold quite strong, 3,704, and silver 41.98. Dollar against ringgit continue to drop 4.1855. Looks like dollar dropping some more. And as we said on the Saturday, we likely that they're going to drop a bit more. Bitcoin 116, okay, near to the 117 breakout area. If we Bitcoin breakout, I think others will follow Okay, we have to wait for that Ethereum 4499. Okay, so let's look at Bursa. Look at sentiment quite good today. Okay, 1611 up 11.57 points, 0.72%. Sentiment 64, not bad. Gainers 739, losers 408, unchanged 502, and untrade 969. Also 12 on the 12th, foreign fund actually net buy 231 million, quite good. Local institution net sell 154 million, and local Retail net sales 77 million. Okay. So foreign fund coming back with a big one, quite big, 300 over million. And I heard that last week, actually, the foreign fund actually is buy, or more buy than sell. Okay, looks quite good. Quite good. DUFU, MCLEAN, later take a look. DNEX, PHARMA, okay, B Auto, MRCB, okay, not quite bad, quite good YTL today, okay, quite good. These gainers, okay. Look at the sector, all in percentage. Construction drop 0.81, consumer up 1.74, energy up 1.06, finance up 0.96, healthcare up 0.87, industry up 1.37, plantation up 0.45, property up 0.46, REIT up 0.23, technology up 0.7, telco drop 0.23, transportation up 0.43, utilities up 0.67. Okay, not good. Nah, not bad today. Not bad. Not bad. Look at the chart. KLCI. Okay, KLCI looks good. Okay, a bit retracement come back. After they push it up here, I think after breakup is heading towards 1650 lah. 1650 lah. If you take a measure, right? Take a measure Fibonacci also, or you just use my normal arrow measure lah. So it's going. So it's heading towards 1006 lah. Okay, it's heading towards 1006. Sorry, 1650. Okay, this will be the final push, probably follow the US one more push up lah. Is it continue? Can it continue for long term? I'm not. I doubt so, but at least short term you follow the US one more push up. I think. This market also broken through. I think going to 498, 4958. Mid cap not so strong, still stuck here. Small cap also breaking out. I think going to 16, 16, 2 or 16,002 or even higher. Okay, look at the sector. Healthcare not trying to break lah. Healthcare we want to watch or whether it can continue make a rebound lah. There's a chance that healthcare might start to rebound lah. Okay, but I do if you ask me lah, I hope it drop lower because I want it to go cheaper lah before we're going to buy it up, because if you buy it at a not very cheap price, maybe the rebound is so lah, not so strong lah. Okay, unless I think it's very cheap. Consumer good, consumer initially I think consumer will not spend so much due to all this pressure of SST, all these things like petrol subsidy, all this. But so much holiday, everybody. Nowadays people just cannot stay home. Holiday they have to go spend. After they spend, they pay now. But spend first lah. I think it's like that lah. That's why you look at the jam at the highway, you know lah. Okay, so much holiday. I think this one will bring up the consumer lah. Okay, energy still flat. Industry looks good. Looks like you want to go higher. And other than that, utilities are okay lah, still moving a bit. But I think could be hitting a wall soon lah. Okay. So okay, consumer we might want to watch. Consumer might be the one that might get a push lah. Okay. Other than that, nothing much lah. Okay. Technology. Okay, technology we got a small pin bar here lah. Okay. Small retracement is okay. It's chance to add, but not big one lah. Okay. Okay, look at the news. I will skip Facebook today lah, because a bit late and I have to go for dinner, or children, all these waiting for dinner. So I'll try to reply to you lah when I have time. Okay. Okay. Important one, we have to go through the important news and go through the top gainers today, which is quite a lot. Okay, MBSB get buy call lah, first time in 2 years LHP lah, flag high dividend. So MBSB, take a look. Oh, very strong. Boom. Okay. MBSB, I think if we can punch through 72 cents, I think it might got room to grow lah. Or you wait for it to punch through, wait for retrace, then only buy. I think better lah, because now already overbought lah. Best wait for a drop. I couldn't trade buy in INTA or order book top 1.8 billion lah. So buy call, but also no target lah. So we take a quick look in INTA, see what's going on with the chart. Okay, INTA INTA already coming back down. Maybe if it drop until 0.37, maybe buy bottom channel, sell top channel, but not yet. I think it's still, I might want it to go lower lah. If you ask me lah, I prefer it to go lower. MBSB foreign investor turn net buyers with 2 to 3 million net equity inflow last week. Quite good lah. Okay, ADVCON gets 66 million construction contract lah. So look at ADVCON. ADVCON not so good. Already broken the bottom here. 26 cent, break 26 cent first. Okay. SIENTX, third quarter profit up, but the year one that's not so good. The annual one not so good. Okay. Fourth quarter, up a bit, but the yearly, okay. Yearly 4.5 billion last year, this year 4.5, but profit 545 last year, this year 530. That's why that's why it didn't it didn't it didn't go lah. I didn't move lah. Okay, it didn't move. So it's still stuck here lah. Okay, you need to I think at least punch through the 333 first. Okay. So ZETRIX partner with Jakim to develop AI platform for Islamic ruling and halal certificate. Okay, good. Okay, let's see ZETRIX. Okay, ZETRIX. Okay, ZETRIX we can hang above stay above 89 cent for many at least a few days. I think then maybe got chance. For now, not enough momentum. Okay, RESINTC subsidiary 16 million Cambodia water infrastructure contract. Let's look at RESINTC. RESINTC. Oh, okay. RESINTC will drop below. Also, I need to go back inside the channel first. Okay, remember like, share, comment, support the channel, and also hit the bell. Okay, every time I do video, you get my notification. Support the channel. Okay, I'm doing this even on holiday. So you have to share with your friend and pump up the like for me. Okay. Look at the top gainer, so many, right? DUFU, JCY, USMA. Let's look at DUFU. Okay, DUFU. Oh, DUFU breakout. DUFU, we got triangle breakout. DUFU long term, I think it's moving this time, really moving lah. So and it need to stay above 1.34. If we cannot hold 1.34, maybe cut down a bit. Okay, if we cannot hold 1 ringgit, then koyak lah. But I doubt so. I think it's moving lah. Volume 2 million to 15 million lah. I think either you try some here or try some at the retracement. Wait for a drop first, or just today overbought lah, or split lah. Okay, if you rejoin the course, you know lah. What I say lah. Split. Okay, you know lah. Okay. And congratulations for you already. Those of you already get the 15th chapter, right? Very interesting, right? Open your eye, big, right? After you see the 15th chapter, people say, write to me and say, wow, this opened my eye, Stock market, it's not like simply go and tarot, open your eyes a lot. USMA, I think too far to buy now. Wait for retracement first. Are you already in? Congratulations. Just turn on the auto profit. Okay. No sell signal, continue to hold. Very easy, right? Very easy, my Kung Fu, right? Okay, it's Kung Fu very easy. Okay. If you haven't buy, I think wait for a drop first. Wait for retracement, too far already. PPB also, PPB, I said PPB long term, got chance, but you just need to wait. Okay, still going. I think long term give it some room. Still moving. FPI. FPI, I think hold above 1.49 first. Give it some time. Okay, not enough momentum. KSL, I think too far to chase. KSL, I think too far to chase. KSL too far to chase. I think people start selling already. Okay. TECGUAN. Okay, TECGUAN already hit top channel. I think wait for it to drop first. Okay. Like, share, comment, support the channel. SolarWest, we say SolarWest could one more wave. Okay, still going SolarWest still going. Okay, open the auto profit. No sell signal, continue to go. Okay, still moving nicely. Okay, SIME. SIME also a lot of you already say that they just go on board the SIME already earn the auto profit cost. The school fee already earn free. Already free, get the cost some more. Okay. Learn a Kung Fu, okay, that can use 30, 50 years for free, they just, after I post in coffee, right, SIME Derby, right, they just catch this one, they already get the course for free. It's not only for free, you know, means you already learn the kung fu. You can profit the market. Let's say now you are 30 years old, you play until 50 years, 80 years old, you can play 50 years. You profit 50 years from the market, you know, just like that. Some more free, you know. I just say this one, I just post a coffee, I say this one. Okay. They just change in, already free for the cost. And some more can profit how many 50 years from the market. Let's say you 30 years old, you play until 50 years old. You can profit 50 years from the market. Not only use this kung fu, you know. Once you learn this kung fu well, you can, you know, you can, okay, you can just how they call it, just wait for the just get the golden goose, continue lay egg for you, you know. Okay, PLENITU. This one I think too late to change. Wait for drop first. But I think, as I said, SIME I will keep for long term, right? PLENITU. Okay, some you have to long term. PLENITU already too late to change. Okay, I think head and shoulder almost reach target already. I think take profit area. Okay, PCHEM, PJBUMI. PCHEM also I said long term. You want to take profit also can. That day already one push up. You take profit first. Now you see he's trying to break out again. Try to break out this channel. I think you want to go again. Okay. PCHEM, PJBUMI. I think PJBUMI too high already. Too late to change. Yeah, too high. Too late to change. Okay. DNEX, PHARMA. DNEX I think coming got momentum. DNEX once it break stay above 27 cents, you might want to watch. Volume 10 to 20 million, so it's the double. So it could be coming, but we want to see sustained one. Not only one day going one night stand. We don't want one night stand. Pharma also, I said, Pharma, for me, I will keep it long term. Because the worst time already passed. The worst time, the company already passed. Worst time mean good time coming. So good time cannot be 1 week, 2 weeks only. I think good time could be longer. That's why I think I will keep it longer. Okay. Better time, I don't see good time. The worst time, then better time, only good time. Okay, so you have to, now it's only better time. But if the good time come, what happened? Okay, and they announce another few more big contract from government. Then you know, CB, I said, CB, you give it some room. CB might be on its way up, also slowly say, uh, what do you call it, stage by level by level. MRCB already starting to rebound. I said MRCB also got a lot of big projects, so you need to wait for the P&L to show. You will take time, so you have to give it room. It's not boring news already. Now it's boring potential. Okay, potential for good report. McLean already also hit target already. Okay, McLean hit target already. The triangle I think it's around there. I think you can go higher, but not a time to buy now it's take profit. Near the take profit area Notion, VTech. Notion, if we can stand above 56 cents, stay above 56 cents, I think it might got chance. 4 million to 20 million. So Notion once you start to boring, no joke one. You know Notion. So you have to watch So GENETEC not much, need to go to 70 cents first. YTL could be having a new momentum. You might want to push higher. So might have one more push. I think up higher. Okay. But I don't like this pattern. Okay, for now. Okay, if you take profit already, I'm doubtful to chase this one. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, bye bye.